Alright, hey there Veve and Ecomi community, this is OhmDawg coming at you with another Omi price action update today. Jumping into the charts obviously, and as well throwing up the next couple drops we have coming up. And potentially at the end of the video I might even throw up a GaryVee clip and kind of share my thoughts on that. So without further ado, we're going to throw up the disclaimer and I'll see everybody on the other side. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk. I'm not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information. Alright everyone, so jumping into the charts, going ahead and looking at the daily chart as of now, our current daily candle printing and our last two from the last video. So relatively want to keep an eye on the weekly and monthly candles coming up. Just because the end of the month is coming up, so we've been keeping an eye on this this monthly candle for this whole month to see how it react. We had that huge push back up into the 80s and then a rejection, and we've just been basically chilling down here since then. So going ahead and dropping down to the hour time frame right now and looking at the price action from last video. We've basically just printed down. This is basically what we were looking at last time, and we've just had this sideways choppy movement since then, so nothing is played out yet. It's obviously a game of patience. We've been looking and pointing out the price direction either moving into one of these areas right here or here, those areas being 0.0077 ish area, and the top level over here being 0.0059 and 0.0054. So just keeping an eye on that still. At the moment, currently we're printing at 0.00669. So very obviously just sideways movement, and and I can just kind of sit here and reiterate the same thing over and over. Obviously we're looking for that price movement into either or of those directions, and until then we are just going to range sideways, obviously, like we have been doing. And it could be a sign of either people, the kind of a last buying opportunity before Omi wants to go up, and we might get immutable next week or something, or this could be the last retail buy-in before the market sells off ultimately. But over here on the Ethereum chart, we're obviously in that same sort of situation, obviously on a bigger time frame, just printing sideways. So this could mean markets preparing to either move, but in which direction, obviously we do want to wait. We did recently, have this huge manipulative move right here only in the Ethereum market, because we did not see a price reaction to that over here on the Omi side. And so it makes you question, what all is really going on down here. And so over here looking at the Ethereum side, obviously we can see it's been just a sideways ranging market as well, at least on the higher time frames. On the lower time frames, I think relatively sort of the same thing. We were obviously looking to see if we could get price to print down onto these lows down here. It's not going to give me all the data for some reason. I don't know why, but oh, there we go. So, keeping an eye on those lows and seeing if market potentially wants to sweep down there, because if it does, we could very well see a push back down into this area on the Omi chart as well. So basically all these price action updates are, as of now at least, with these consolidated markets, is just, I guess, kind of just updating where we're at. I technically wouldn't have to make a video for this. I could only really make one once for all the same price data and kind of come up with the same conclusion at the end, but I do want to be active, and I do want to kind of show up every day, show that I'm invested here as well. So just keeping that same, the same TA that we've had in mind. If the market were to move here, then this would happen. If the market were to move here, then this would happen. And so going over from the charts, I just want to go ahead and throw up, we do have our Iron Man and Hawkeye Tales of Suspense number 57 dropping here in a few hours. As well, on Wednesday, we have Young Avengers number 12 dropping. So we could see, a new trend with the comic drops being a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday type of situation. Obviously, with more market volume entering the space. But moving on from there, I did want to go ahead and go over to GaryVee's tweet, obviously red circle heart, and we're going to go ahead and watch that real quick. I don't know if I'm going to get copyrighted or not for this, but let's go ahead and watch it all together.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Just making this quick video because I saw my interview with Dan. Dan, thanks for the interview. Just commentary on Veve, like, just so there's no confusion. A, I'm cheering for fucking Veve like crazy. B, I don't love talking about things in general when I'm not 100% sure or haven't done the homework. I haven't gone hardcore on Veve enough yet to really know what I think. I'm seeing the headlines, like through my stream, like now unimmutable, I love layer 2s, but like, let there be no confusion. I don't have, even in my small investments compared to my career in Recur or Candy, like, I'm fucking cheering for everybody. I don't think, the biggest issue right now in the space is people think that this is an or game. With the amount of meaningful IP in the world, Veve, Solana, ETH, Candy, Recur, Dapper, the world is abundant. Like, everybody can win. It's going to come down to execution. Who executes and who doesn't. And, for me, when I'm putting my name on, like, this is going to work, like, I feel comfortable about CryptoPunks. But, like I said the other day, like, I'm just learning. Like, I don't know if Wolf Game's going to win or not, but there's enough there on the gaming mechanics. I'm like, let me check out if this could become the Axie Farmville of ETH. I don't know if the first Spider-Man on Veve works, but, like, I will absolutely look into that. You just can't get to everything all the time. People are airdropping me projects. I'm getting 1,000 DMs. I'm running a massive company. So for the Veve community, just want you to know, like, I got fucking love for your red circles. I just don't have enough information. I'm not good enough yet because I haven't dug and clicked and looked into it. I had my Veve meetings early, just haven't gotten quote unquote around to it, but fucking, I think everybody can win.
I think he's right in essence. We still are early, but I also think he is, kind of mixing in a lot of the other stuff as well, with Veve, and not, seeing the IP for what it is, compared to a CryptoPunk, for instance. But I also do think he is also showing a different side of him as well. He doesn't want to, just go out and say, Veve is this great thing that we have in our hands, because he knows if he does, I mean, look at these views right here, 117,000 views. If that was, I'm on Veve right now, go check it out, our app would be absolutely busted right now. So I think he knows exactly FA Spider-Man is FA Spider-Man. He's a collector. He comes from that background, and is also shout out to Dan Schwabel for the interview with GaryVee as well. I appreciate the comments on the videos as well. I will kind of be doing my own review of that, I feel like, as well in the future. So without further ado, everybody, this is OhmDawg coming at you with another Ohmi price action update. I appreciate you all stopping by today, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Peace. And the video is not done yet, guys. I just wanted to jump back into the charts real quick and throw this up. Nothing crazy, just I don't think I covered this completely, but before we leave, we just want to point this out. If price were to kind of trade down a little bit and not maintain this area like we were saying above this low, then we could very well see price print up. And if price did not maintain this area, we could very well see price print down in the same manner. And if price were to break up and start busting above our levels that we have up here that we've been mentioning in the past few videos, you could obviously start to see some bullish momentum. hasn't happened in a while. Some bullish momentum carry out within the marketplace, everybody. So I appreciate you all stopping by again. This is OhmDawg coming at you with another Ohmi price action update. I appreciate you all stopping by, and I'll see you in the next Veve price action update dropping tomorrow. Peace.